Hey beauty babes, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you these so stinking cute nails. So I had been wanting to paint my nails, but I really wanted just the natural color of my nails and just some cute gems, designs on them, you know. So I'm starting off with bare nails. What I already have on my nails, I have about maybe 2 coats of clear gel polish. So right now I'm prepping my first nail on my left hand. I had already designed my nails on my right hand. I just wanted to make sure I like the design, so now I'm designing them for you. So I started with my index finger, prepping it with the base coat, and I'm starting with these pink glitter strips, and they're so cute. So I'm just mainly putting it on my tip since my nails have grown out quite a bit and I'm just embracing my long nails. So I'm kind of being messy with it. I really don't care. I don't want them to be perfect. I just want my tips to be covered with the pink strips. As you see, I have this picture on the side so you can see how they look. Of course, they're not like crazy identical. I don't expect them to be, but again, the whole point of this is just to cover up the tip of the nail. So I'm just going in and putting in some more glitter in any spots that are not filled in. So I just put my finger right under the LED light, left it there for 30 seconds to cure everything that I just put on there. Then I'm prepping my middle finger on my left hand. On my middle finger, I am using a clear hue, bluish green hexagon shaped glitter. And the design is like a lopsided triangle. So once you'll see this video pop up, you'll see that the triangle is more slanted to the side than going straight up to the middle. Then of course you place your finger right under the LED light to cure the nail. Now I am prepping my pinky nail with the gel. The product that I'm using on my pinky nail to design it is actually a ribbon that I cut into strands. I cut them into skinny triangle strips and I just align them all side by side to fill up most of my nail, and there's going to be some space gaps in between. Then I cure my nail to keep everything in place. Now I'm gel polishing my index finger. So what I'm designing my finger with is the exact same material that I used for my pinky finger. I just grabbed the ribbon and I cut it into triangles, and then again, the whole point is just to cover the tip of my nail. And they don't have to be super close together. I space them out. And then of course I cured my nail. Now I'm gel polishing my thumb. So the same materials that I used for my ring finger and my middle finger are the same that I'm going to be using for my thumb. So I grab the strip of glitter and then I put it all on the tips of my nails, and then I'm grabbing the hexagon glitter pieces and I'm placing them around the bed of my nail. And I'm really just putting the hexagon pieces spread out. They don't have to be super close to each other. You can use 4, 5, 6 pieces. And then of course I cure my nail right after that. Okay, so now that all my fingers are designed and that they're cured, now I'm gonna grab my base coat / top coat and I'm gonna put it all over my fingernails. And then of course, right after painting all your fingernails with the top coat, then you're gonna cure your nails. And I did this about 2 or 3 times. I just wanted to make sure, just because some of the glitter does kind of stick up, I wanna make sure that everything is being sealed. After curing your nail, then you're gonna grab your gel cleanser and grab your lint-free pad, and then you're going to remove all the excess oil and grease that the nail polish left from behind. You always need to make sure that you do this step and you don't skip it, because if not, the excess oil that is left on your finger is going to pick up lint and a bunch of stuff that's really gross. Trust me, you want to do this step. And this is it. This is the final design on both fingers. They are so cute. They're classy. Honestly, I think you can rock anything with these, and they're super great for the summer or even spring. Or honestly, anytime. I'll do this anytime because they're so cute. So if you haven't done so, please like this video if you did like it. Hopefully you did. And also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I have so much more content planned to come out. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.